Guys, welcome to Hill Studios again, and it's been a long day. Long month. I haven't uploaded any video from a month. So, without wasting any more time, let's get started. So, I started this video to tell you about my 6 months experience in game development and which game engine to choose. So, without wasting any more time, let's get started. So, there are two kinds of games. Wait, let me just adjust this camera. Got it. So, there are two kinds of games. First one is 2D and next one is 3D. If you are making a 2D game, go to Unity. If you are making a 3D game, wait for further more options. And I'm going to talk about only two engines, Unity and Unreal Engine, because I only use two engines. So if you feel like there is any other engine that should be included in this thing, please make sure you please comment in the comment section so that other people can know. So if you're making a 2D game, go to Unity. If you're making a 3D game, let's wait. Again, in 3D games, there are two types again, single player games and multiplayer games. So let us talk with single player games. If you look at single player games, there are two kinds of sacrifices that you have to make. Either the game need to be good at performance or the size of the APK. If you feel like your game should have less size, and if you want to manage the performance by yourself rather than giving it to the engine, then go with Unity. If you feel like the size of an APK can be large, I don't care how large the APK is going to be, but I need the game to be much more performance efficient, then go with Unreal Engine. Let us take an example. If you make any kind of game, let us say the game, if you feel like the game size should be less than 50 MB, and I will try to make sure performance will be good. If you are trying to maintain the performance, then go with Unity. But if you want to go with Unreal Engine, then the APK size will be greater than 100 MB no matter what you do. But performance will be handled by the Unreal Engine. That is the biggest advantage. Personally, my opinion is like go with Unreal Engine, because nowadays nobody cares about memory size, how large the APK is. There is a game known as Genshin Impact, which is more than 12 gigabytes, and some people still download it. So don't care about size. Let us come to multiplayer. So again, and Unity and Unreal Engine both are good implementations of game engines, but in multiplayer, I think Unity is no match to Unreal Engine, because Unreal Engine is the best. So let us assume again two conditions. If you want, let us say if you want to make a server client game like multiplayer game, if you want less than 12 people per room, then go with Unity 1. If you want more than 12 people per room, then go with Unreal Engine. I'll try to explain in a much more detailed way. Let us assume that you are looking for a game where the number of people in a room will be 12, less than 12. Like let's assume TDM, whatever it is. If you look at 4G TDM, something like that. So initially there will be less than 12 people, like let us say 8 people. Got it? Now again, you can again divide this into two parts again. Firstly, APK size and performance. If you feel like APK size should be less and performance can be managed by you rather than the engine, then go with Unity. If you feel like I don't care about APK size but performance should be good enough, then go with Unreal Engine. And let us go with multiplayer where people greater than 12. Got it? So Unreal Engine doesn't have a good Unity doesn't have good implementation of network library, so people actually depend on Mirror and all of these other networking implementations. But if you consider Mirror, then Mirror doesn't have much functionality what Unreal Engine offers. Let us see an implementation feature of Unreal Engine. Let's assume you are playing PUBG Mobile, right? You are in Pochinki, got it? And some of your friend is in military base. You are never going to see your friend from Pochinki to military base, right? So there is no point in getting the transform locations, rotations of person in military base, right? There is no point in that. So what happens in Unreal Engine is it is going to save you data so much such that you are going to replicate the actors within a certain radius. So this is known as a network implementation. Like if there is 100 people around you, but only 10 people are somewhat near to you, rather than those remaining 80 to 85 people, Unreal Engine is going to ignore all of those 85 people, and it's just going to replicate the people who are around you. So that's one of the best features. If you didn't understand it, just rewind it again. So if you're looking for any kind of game where people in a particular room are greater than 12, then I think you have to check whether you can go with custom implementations or Unity, or if you want some standard implementations, then go with Unreal Engine. I feel like I explained a lot about single player, multiplayer, 2D, 3D. If you have any doubt, just comment in the comment section. And this is a short video. I hope I can make another video like this. And yeah, that's it. Thank you.